Wow, I am really excited. I've made over $1,475 since I started with this business opportunity.
Team is going to help juice your post. You'll learn all about that good stuff. So you have your face.
Now there is huge momentum going on. We have over 5,000 members that have joined the team. We have members that have generated over $10,000 using one very simple strategy.
Here, y'all, I want to let you know that the first 10 minutes I came into this business, I had already made $100. Y'all, if you're going to put a business together, this thing's got everything you need. To the point, it's almost a no-brainer to do this.
I received this $500 commission, and that's the beautiful thing about having a business online, right? That's a beautiful thing, being part of a business opportunity that's gonna allow you to make money even while you sleep. And also, I wanna show you some amazing testimonials. Take a look right here at all of our different members generating money even while they're sleeping, generating income even while they're out having dinner with their family, generating money even while they're traveling. I'm just showing these pictures. You can pause this video and watch these testimonials, and that's why I'm so excited.
You get notifications to your phone by text, so you actually get the ability to set your phone up so you get notifications. I think that's pretty awesome, especially this time of day, y'all, where everybody's doing everything with their phone. And y'all, if you don't think you can do this business, everything I've done today, I was not home. I was using my phone and taking screenshots and drawing little arrows up here. And
that you can make your money with this opportunity is just insane, okay? That's just the newbies that, you know, intermediate or advanced individuals, they're just absolutely crushing it. That's hands down. It's already been proven with this opportunity. Like I said, the best part about this opportunity is that it gives equal balance to advanced and newbies. They each have the same opportunity, which is exactly why complete newbies are generating income with this opportunity at an insane rate, at an insane amount. And like I said, you've already seen some of their testimonials. In fact, let me go ahead and show you guys more results right here. These are people as well that are also making money with this opportunity.
Why? So here's the number one feature why people are jumping in it right now. It's a one-time payment to get in the business, and it can be as low as $25 plus a $5 admin fee. So $30 to have a genuine business that can earn you hundreds of dollars a day.
But you do have to take massive action in order to position yourself to win big this year. So take action today. And other than that, I will see you